Firm project is about transforming this region, the Media City region, into one that's got a vibrant culture of big and small companies and universities, researchers and users developing technology for the future. In my university, we're technology experts. So we decided that we would look into the different ways in which the internet could be used to convey multimedia content, digital audio, digital video, and to produce platforms or user interfaces, technologies that users could take advantage of to develop and consume technologies, to develop and consume media content on different platforms, on big computers, small computers, mobile devices, and so on. The film project started with 3 university partners: Salford, Goldsmiths, University of London, and Lancaster University, and also with the BBC as an industry partner at the beginning. BT joined us later on, and we've had very small companies involved as well. For a long time we've been used to the idea that you don't develop technology without thinking about how people will use it. So for a long time we've used social scientists to join us in development projects. And in this project in particular, we used ethnography experts. These are people who come along and do user studies and introduce the users to the new technology that we're developing, so that we can better adjust and better provide for what they would actually do with the technology. And I think that's worked very well. We've worked across the universities, particularly between Lancaster and Goldsmiths, in doing that. And I would say in this project we've learned from each other, because we come from different cultures in academia. We speak a different language, actually. And I think that we've come closer in our understanding of how to develop jointly new technology platforms that are fit for use. My colleagues who've been working with the BBC, for example, have been looking at set-top boxes and the use of multiple screens, so televisions and mobile devices. And in doing that, they've been also working with our ethnographer colleague to make these more effective, so that the technologists don't necessarily think about how a naive user would use the technology. So in the Salford Lads Club, we've been able to go along and present them with the screens and the technologies, the user interfaces, and learn how they would actually prefer to use them rather than the way we would present it to them. One of the things we do is we write it up for academic journals, of course, but very simply we embody it into the technology, into the user interface, so that it's more effective. One thing that's crucial is I mentioned this before, is understanding the way other disciplines think. They speak a different language, and I think that in this project we've learned more. We've all learned more about how to work with people from other disciplines and other institutions. And working across universities in this project, I think we've learned a lesson that the research councils that supported this project can also learn, and that is that if you set off with to solve a problem or come up with an innovation, you should start with the idea that you should involve other disciplines. You should also